The emergency tire repair kit can be used for minor punctures from nails and other sharp objects. Emergency repair can be done by injecting the sealant into the tire and sealing the punctured hole area. The storage location of the emergency tire repair kit depends on the vehicle model. Please check the instruction manual beforehand. In the event that the emergency tire repair kit is stored in the boot, please lift the false floor up to retrieve it. Some vehicle models may require the adjustment of seats for the retrieval of the emergency tire repair kit. There are 6 steps to using the emergency tire repair kit. First, check if repair is possible with the emergency tire repair kit and remove the valve core from the tire valve. Next, inject the sealant and screw the valve core back into the tire valve. Inject air into the tire till it reaches the right level of air pressure. Drive immediately to spread the sealant throughout the tire. Step 1. Check if repair is possible with the emergency tire repair kit. First, check the expiration date on the bottle of sealant and location of the puncture. The kit can only be used for one hole as large as 4 mm in diameter. Repair the tire without removing the nail or sharp object that punctured it. Removal of sharp object may make the hole larger and repair may no longer be possible. If the side wall of the tire is torn, emergency repair cannot be carried out. Please contact any of the authorized Mitsubishi service centers. Step 2. Remove the valve core for the injection of the sealant. First, look for the valve's location. The sealant may spurt out if it is injected while the valve is positioned at the bottom half of the tire. Move the vehicle, if necessary, to make sure the location of the valve is not on the bottom half of the tire. Remove the cap of the tire valve in anti-clockwise direction. Press the valve core remover against the valve to completely deflate the tire. Turn the valve core and remove it. You will need to reattach the removed valve core in step 4, so be careful not to lose it. Step 3. Inject the sealant into the tire. Shake the bottle of sealant well and screw the injection tube onto the bottle. Attach the injection tube to the valve and hold the bottle of sealant upside down. Inject all of the sealant into the valve by squeezing the bottle and detach the injection tube when there is no more left. Step 4. Reattach the valve core. Reattach the valve core that was removed in step 2 in the correct direction and screw it in clockwise direction. Step 5. Inject air into the tire using the compressor. Take out the compressor's air hose and securely attach the end of the hose to the tire valve. Plug the cord into the auxiliary socket in the vehicle. Set the engine switch or power mode to ACC. Check the required air pressure on the label attached to the driver's door opening. And set the compressor switch to on. Inject as much air as required while checking on the compressor's air pressure. The surface of the compressor and air hose becomes hot during use, so please be careful. Switch the compressor off once the tire is at the correct pressure and unplug the cord from the auxiliary socket. Remove the air hose from the tire and screw the cap back onto the valve. Paste the speed limit sticker on the Mitsubishi logo on the steering wheel. Finally, for step 6, place the emergency tire repair kit back where it was stored and drive off immediately. When the tire rotates, the sealant will spread itself throughout the entire tire, sealing the hole. After driving off, check the tire's air pressure again. Stop the vehicle in a safe place after 10 minutes or 5 kilometers of driving. If there is not enough air pressure, please fill it again till it is at the required level of air pressure. If the air pressure is below 130 kilopascals, it means that emergency repair is not possible with the kit. Stop driving and contact any of the authorized Mitsubishi service centers. Emergency tire repair is now complete. Please drive with caution to the nearest center to properly repair or replace the tire immediately.